Today, we're going to talk about the success story of Airbus, one of the world's leading aerospace companies. As of 2023, Airbus has a fleet of over 12,000 aircraft in service with airlines around the world. The company's revenue in 2022 was €58.8 billion, and it has an order backlog of over 7,000 aircraft. That's a lot of planes. But how did Airbus get so big? Well, it's a super interesting story, so let's dive in. I'll be telling you all about how they got started, how it became successful, and some of the challenges it has faced along the way. We'll also discuss some of the key factors that have contributed to Airbus's success, and we'll take a look at the company's future plans. This is the story of Airbus. In the early years of Airbus, a consortium of European aerospace companies joined forces with a shared vision of challenging the dominance of American aircraft manufacturer Boeing. The founding members of Airbus were France's Aerospace, Germany's Deutsche Airbus, Spain's CASA, and the United Kingdom's British Aircraft Corporation, later merged into British Aerospace. The decision to form Airbus was driven by several factors, including the desire to create a European competitor in the commercial aviation market, reduce dependence on foreign aircraft manufacturers, and foster technological advancements in the aerospace industry. At the time, Boeing held a significant market share and was considered the primary player in the global aircraft manufacturing industry. Established in 1970, Airbus embarked on a collaborative endeavor that aimed to establish itself as a formidable competitor to Boeing. This cooperative approach allowed Airbus to pool knowledge, share costs, and leverage each country's industrial capabilities. One of the consortium's earliest achievements was the launch of the Airbus A300 in 1974. The A300 was a wide-body twin-engine jetliner that introduced several groundbreaking features. It was the first aircraft to incorporate a significant amount of composite materials, reducing weight and enhancing fuel efficiency. The A300's fuel efficiency and range capabilities challenged Boeing's existing offerings. The successful entry of the A300 into the market marked a significant milestone for Airbus. The aircraft gained recognition for its advanced features, passenger comfort, and operational efficiency. It positioned Airbus as a viable alternative to Boeing's offerings, giving airlines around the world a new choice in aircraft manufacturers. Buoyed by the A300's success, Airbus continued to expand its product line, introducing the A310 in 1983 as a smaller version of the A300, targeting medium-range routes. This expansion into a broader market segment allowed Airbus to directly compete with Boeing's offerings in various market segments. The real breakthrough for Airbus, however, came with the introduction of the A320 in 1988. The A320 was a narrow-body aircraft that revolutionized the aviation industry. It was the first commercial aircraft to extensively utilize fly-by-wire technology, replacing traditional mechanical controls with an electronic interface. This innovation enhanced flight control accuracy, reduced pilot workload, and improved safety. The A320's technological advancements posed a direct challenge to Boeing's dominance in the narrow-body market segment. The A320 family quickly gained popularity and attracted airlines worldwide. Its success put Airbus in direct competition with Boeing in the narrow-body market, challenging the long-standing duopoly in the commercial aviation industry. With its strong foundation and a lineup of innovative aircraft, Airbus embarked on a remarkable journey that propelled it to become a major player in the global aerospace industry. The rise to success for Airbus can be attributed to several key factors, significant milestones, and diverse contributions: market expansion and customer demand. As Airbus continued to develop and introduce new aircraft models, its market presence expanded rapidly. The A300, A310, and A320 families gained traction, attracting a growing number of airlines eager to diversify their fleets with technologically advanced and fuel-efficient aircraft. Airbus's commitment to offering a range of aircraft sizes and capabilities enabled the company to cater to diverse customer demands, technological advancements, and innovation. Throughout its rise, Airbus remained committed to pushing the boundaries of aerospace technology. The company consistently introduced innovative features and advancements in its aircraft models. The A330 and A340, introduced in the early 1990s, incorporated improvements in aerodynamics, materials, and systems. Airbus's focus on continuous innovation and improvement allowed it to offer airlines cutting-edge solutions and maintain a competitive edge. One of Airbus's most significant achievements was the introduction of the A380, a double-deck wide-body aircraft designed to accommodate up to 509 passengers. The A380, which entered service in 2007, revolutionized the airline industry by offering unparalleled passenger comfort, innovative onboard features, and increased capacity. The A380 boasted numerous advancements, including advanced aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, and noise reduction technologies. It offered airlines the ability to transport a substantial number of passengers over long distances while providing an exceptional in-flight experience. The A380's iconic double-deck design and spacious interiors redefined the concept of luxury and comfort in air travel. Despite initial enthusiasm and securing orders from several major airlines, the A380 faced challenges in terms of production costs, operational flexibility, and changing market dynamics. These factors led to a decrease in demand for the A380, resulting in Airbus announcing the discontinuation of the program in 2019. Nevertheless, the A380 remains a testament to Airbus's ambition, innovation, and its ability to push the boundaries of aircraft design. Military involvement and defense programs. Beyond the commercial sector, Airbus has been actively involved in military aviation and defense programs. The company has developed a range of military aircraft, including the A400M Atlas, a versatile military transport aircraft capable of carrying heavy payloads and conducting tactical operations. The A400M has gained significant interest from various countries for its strategic airlift capabilities. Furthermore, Airbus has collaborated with other defense companies and governments to participate in joint military projects. Notably, the Eurofighter Typhoon, a multi-role combat aircraft, was developed through a consortium involving Airbus, BAE Systems, and Leonardo. The Typhoon has become a cornerstone of European air forces, demonstrating Airbus's prowess in military aviation. Strong alliances and global expansion. To further strengthen its position, Airbus formed strategic alliances and partnerships with airlines, suppliers, and governments worldwide. Collaborations with prominent carriers helped build confidence in Airbus aircraft and secured substantial orders. Additionally, Airbus established production facilities and customer support centers in various countries, expanding its global footprint and enhancing customer service capabilities. How about the future? The company has a strong track record of innovation, and it is committed to meeting the challenges of the 21st century. Some of Airbus's future plans include: Airbus is investing in new technologies, such as electric aircraft and hydrogen-powered aircraft, to meet the challenges of climate change. The company is also investing in new technologies to improve the efficiency and performance of its aircraft. For example, Airbus is developing a new electric aircraft called the E-Fan-X. The E-Fan-X is a hybrid electric aircraft that will be powered by a combination of batteries and jet engines. The E-Fan-X is expected to be certified in 2023 and to enter service in 2024. Airbus is expanding its product portfolio to meet the needs of a growing and changing market. The company is developing new aircraft, such as the A321XLR and the A350-1000, to meet the demand for longer-range flights. For example, the A321XLR is a new version of the A321neo that has a longer range. The A321XLR is expected to be certified in 2023 and to enter service in 2024. Airbus is entering new markets, such as China and India, to grow its business. The company is also expanding its presence in existing markets, such as the United States and Europe. For example, Airbus has recently opened a new factory in China to produce the A320neo. Throughout its journey, Airbus experienced significant success and achieved remarkable milestones, but it also faced challenges and controversies that shaped its trajectory in the aerospace industry. Production delays, cost overruns, and the subsequent reassessment of production strategies posed significant challenges for Airbus, particularly in the development of its flagship aircraft, the A380. Market demand shifts towards smaller, long-range aircraft impacted the sales of the A380, leading to its discontinuation in 2019. Airbus engaged in a long-standing trade dispute with Boeing, involving allegations of illegal subsidies and unfair competition practices. This dispute strained the relationship between the two companies and created uncertainties in the global aerospace market. Expanding production capabilities and managing a global supply chain presented challenges in supplier management and quality control for Airbus. Instances of supply chain disruptions and quality control issues occasionally arose, affecting production schedules and customer satisfaction. Ethical concerns and corruption allegations emerged, leading to investigations into bribery and corruption in securing contracts. Airbus responded by implementing stricter compliance measures and enhancing its corporate governance. In addition to these challenges, Airbus faced intense competition from Boeing, battled the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on air travel demand, and emphasized safety and regulatory compliance in an industry that prioritizes stringent safety standards. To address these challenges, Airbus focused on innovation, improving product offerings, adjusting production rates, implementing cost-saving measures, and supporting customers during difficult times. The company also proactively addressed safety concerns through continuous improvement and collaboration with regulatory bodies. Airbus invested in research and development to meet environmental sustainability goals by developing more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly aircraft. Having navigated through numerous challenges and controversies, Airbus's story offers valuable insights and key takeaways. These takeaways shed light on the lessons learned from the company's journey and can provide inspiration and guidance for individuals and businesses seeking success in all industries. Resilience. Airbus exemplifies resilience by overcoming challenges and setbacks, showcasing the importance of adaptability and perseverance in the face of adversity. Customer-centric approach. Airbus's success stems from its customer-centric approach, understanding market demand, and continuously improving its products to meet evolving needs. Collaboration and partnerships. Strong collaborations and partnerships with airlines, suppliers, and regulatory bodies have been instrumental in Airbus's achievements, fostering innovation and overcoming challenges. Adaptability and innovation. Airbus's ability to adapt to market conditions, adjust production rates, and embrace innovation has been crucial in maintaining its position as a leader in the aerospace industry. Commitment to sustainability. Airbus's focus on sustainability, developing eco-friendly aircraft, reducing emissions, and addressing environmental concerns demonstrates its dedication to meeting global sustainability goals and stakeholder expectations. In conclusion, the success story of Airbus is a testament to the company's resilience, customer-centric approach, collaboration, adaptability, and commitment to sustainability. From its humble beginnings as a consortium of European aerospace companies to becoming a major player in the global aerospace industry, Airbus has overcome numerous challenges and controversies. Through innovation, strategic partnerships, and a focus on customer needs, Airbus has carved its place in the market and challenged Boeing's dominance. While the journey has not been without its hurdles, Airbus's ability to navigate these challenges and continuously improve its offerings has led to its remarkable success. As the aerospace industry continues to evolve, Airbus remains committed to pushing boundaries, embracing innovation, and providing sustainable solutions for the future of air travel. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the story of Airbus. Please comment, share, like, subscribe and switch notifications on. The story continues.